What up, lads? Let's make peanut sauce, which is perfect for spring rolls. So guys, for this recipe, of course, we're gonna use peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. We're gonna use maple syrup, rice vinegar, sesame oil, soy sauce, chili, and garlic. So what we want for this sauce is to get a balance between salty, sweet, sour, and what's the other one? Salt, sweet, sour, and spicy. So salt, sweet, sour, and spicy. So you need to be able to feel all these different flavors on your mouth, okay? So let's do this and let's find this balance. So we're gonna need a small bowl. First things first, we're gonna put the peanut butter. Boom. We're gonna add our maple syrup. Garlic. Some chili flakes. Our vinegar. Dash of sesame oil, and soy sauce. Now, easy like that, we just whisk all together. Gonna give a taste. See guys, it's really Okay, let's add a little bit more of maple that we have here, and maybe more chilies, because I like a little bit more spicier than this. But you can feel the sour, you can feel the saltiness. Okay, the only thing I'm gonna do, gonna add a little bit of water, because I want this to be a dip. So it's too thick, see? So I'm gonna add a little bit of water to make this a little bit more loose, and we're done. Okay, that's what I want. Creamy, a little bit runny, but still thick. Final taste. Oh yeah. And easy like that, guys, our peanut sauce is ready. Now we just need some fresh spring rolls. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down in the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.